Hi, thanks for watching here. I've got a little bit of information. If you have a Liftmaster LA500 gate opener and your gate is not opening, but you can still hear the motor running, you may have a problem with the traveler screw on your actuator arm. And you can get a kit that is got the parts for replacing the traveler or trolley on there from a company called Gatehouse. You can find them at gatehouse.com, and you're looking for a kit K75-39337, and it's about $93 plus the shipping. You're going to get a box of stuff in here. It's going to have a bunch of nuts and bolts and some other metal parts in here, which you don't really need. The only part that you're really looking for is this little piece of plastic right here. But Liftmaster does not sell this part alone. So go to gatehouse.com and get a trolley kit for $93 and some change. And the instructions are very good. You'll be able to put it together with probably no problem at all. And thanks for watching.